Friends are an essential part of our lives. They bring joy, support, and companionship. My name is Ella, and I have a wonderful group of friends who make my life exciting and fun. Let me introduce you to my friends and share some of our memorable moments together. My best friend, Alex, and I met in elementary school. We were both shy at first, but we quickly became inseparable. Alex is funny, kind, and always knows how to cheer me up. We have a lot in common, like our love for soccer and video games. We often spend our weekends playing soccer at the park or challenging each other in our favorite games. Sarah is the adventurous one in our group. She loves exploring new places and trying out new activities. Sarah is always full of energy and enthusiasm. Last summer, she took us on a hiking trip to a nearby mountain. It was a challenging hike, but with Sarah's encouragement, we made it to the top. The view was breathtaking, and it was one of the best experiences we've had together. Emma is our creative friend. She loves drawing, painting, and gardening. Emma has a talent for turning simple things into beautiful art. During the holidays, she organizes craft sessions where we all make handmade gifts and decorations. Her creativity always amazes us, and she inspires us to think outside the box. Ben is the wise one among us. He is always there to give advice and help us solve our problems. Ben loves reading books and often shares interesting facts and stories with us. Whenever we face a difficult situation, Ben's calm and thoughtful nature helps us find a solution. We all look up to him and value his opinions. We love spending time together and making memories. On weekends, we often go to the movies, play sports, or simply hang out at each other's houses. One of our favorite activities is having game nights. We play board games, card games, and sometimes even make up our own games. These nights are filled with laughter and fun. During the summer, we like to go to the beach. We spend the day swimming, building sandcastles, and playing beach volleyball. In the evenings, we sit around a bonfire, roasting marshmallows and telling stories. These beach trips are some of the most enjoyable times we've had together. Friends are not just for fun times, they are also there to support each other. Last year, when I was struggling with my schoolwork, my friends came to my rescue. Alex helped me with math, Emma assisted with my art project, and Ben gave me tips on how to study effectively. With their help, I was able to improve my grades and feel more confident. Similarly, when Sarah was feeling down because she didn't make the soccer team, we all rallied around her. We spent time with her, played soccer together, and encouraged her to keep practicing. Eventually, she made the team the following year, and we were all so proud of her. We love celebrating each other's birthdays and special occasions. For our birthdays, we always plan a surprise party. The birthday person never knows what we have in store for them. We decorate the place, prepare their favorite food, and get a cake with their favorite flavor. These surprise parties are always a hit and bring us even closer together. We also celebrate achievements and milestones. When Ben won a science competition, we threw a party to congratulate him. When Emma's artwork was displayed in an exhibition, we all went to support her. Celebrating these moments together makes them even more special. I have learned many valuable lessons from my friends. Alex has taught me the importance of humor and staying positive. Sarah has shown me the joy of trying new things and being adventurous. Emma has inspired me to be creative and think outside the box. Ben has demonstrated the value of wisdom and thoughtfulness. Our friendship is built on trust, support, and mutual respect. We accept each other's differences and celebrate our unique qualities. Being friends with such amazing people has made me a better person. My friends are my second family. They bring joy, laughter, and support into my life. Don't forget to like and share the video. Essential. Meaning, absolutely necessary or extremely important. Example, food is essential for survival. Companionship. Meaning, the feeling of friendship or fellowship, being together with someone. Example, the dog provided companionship during lonely times. Adventurous. Meaning, willing to take risks or try out new ideas, methods, or experiences. Example, she's always been adventurous, trying new things. Enthusiasm. Meaning, intense and eager enjoyment, interest, or approval. Example, his enthusiasm for the project was contagious. Breathtaking. Meaning, astonishing or awe-inspiring in quality, so beautiful or amazing it takes your breath away. Example, the view from the top was breathtaking. Creativity. Meaning, the use of imagination or original ideas to create something, inventiveness. Example, her creativity turned the old room into something beautiful. Wise. Meaning, having or showing experience, knowledge, and good judgment. Example, his wise advice helped me make the right decision. Milestones. Meaning, significant events or stages in life, progress, or development. Example, graduating college was a major milestone in her life. Mutual. Meaning, experienced or done by each of two or more parties toward the others, common. Example, their mutual respect grew over time.